Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with, and yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Yo, what's up traders? It is March 3rd, 2020, and this is our precious metal update for what's going on in the gold and silver markets for sure. And a lot of movement since our last video where I was, we were hanging out in this area and I was like, man, there's a lot of indecision here in between 1590 and 1600 in gold. Well, that indecision was definitely broken, that's for sure, with the Fed had a more or less surprise interest rate cut today. And, actually just looking at this here, sometimes when I'm looking at charts like this, I kind of see things put together, but this looks like a kind of a breakout and a retest of this little formation. So we had this huge move to the upside, and I'll tell you, it's so frustrating. I had a buy here this morning, right here, right where this moving average is, 1605. I thought we were moving up, and then I put a buy in, and it started moving down like 1602, and I cut the losses on it. I was like, man, maybe if we break down here, I don't want to be holding it, some drawdown in gold. And then literally like 15 minutes later, boom. But hey, man, that's trading. That's the way it goes. So what can you do? No FOMO, which means fear of missing out. So definitely not trying to chase the gold market. Here we are at 1646 now. I would like to potentially, I'm very tempted to want to like kind of figure out a place to short this thing, but here we are, broken out of here. So maybe some sort of okay, sorry about that. Maybe some sort of buy here around 1640 is what I would look for as an entry. Hopefully we can get, if you are trying to go long here. I'm still, it really, I was going to say would be a little bit concerned because we have some overbought conditions to work off in the RSI, but really looks like we have on the daily. Here we are on the weekly. We're still hanging out up here for sure, but that doesn't mean we can't, move higher. And, one thing about gold and metals is lower interest rates is just a hedge for people to buy gold. And so, that's why every time the Fed comes in and cuts rates, we see a massive move to the upside. So, maybe some sort of push higher here before, if you were looking to be a bear, would be a potential play. But man, the safer bet, is to be a buyer. And so if you're looking to buy here, actually God, it's so tempting. I actually got burned really hard in gold last week. So, I'm kind of hesitant to get up in the mix with this one, but we broken out of this little formation here. So right now seems like a very, very good entry to get long. If you got a bounce here to 1634, then, it would be definite green light, because we're probably headed to, let's see, at least the 78.6, which is 1732. And so if you want to be patient, hold right here. I'm actually going to pause this and send it to my group. Okay, so we got that sent out. One advantage of being in my VIP group is, I'm sending charts all day long. Here we are in silver market. Another big rally, and I was talking about this yesterday. Oh man, this looks like now I potentially may short this, because here we are. This is the exact chart. I did a precious metals update yesterday. Go to the video. And I said if we get a retest here, this would be an excellent area to short, and we're there for sure. So gosh, that is very, very tempting. And then, you know, because gold is by far outperforming silver, and you know, have a bit more of a bearish slant now that we've broken out. This right here looks like a very bullish pattern. Here's clearly an inverted head and shoulders, but it failed. And, you know, it looks a lot more like a bearish reversal to me. And we're at a very good shorting opportunity right now in silver. So definitely something to look at. You can see we're already kind of struggling here at this trend line level. So definitely an area to watch. And, you know, I would really like to see these lower levels in silver before I became a buyer, 1550, and ultimately the bottom side of this massive trend consolidation here, which would be, you know, all green lights go, big time go in on that. So, but, you know, putting a piece on right now to the short side and silver, shorting the weak side of it, you know, because the move that just happened in gold was very, very, very impulsive. And, you know, but silver's not following suit. So it makes me pretty hesitant, one, to be like, dude, buy gold right now. I would much rather get a better entry. Now, if gold and silver were both metals together pushing higher, I think that would be a much better signal. And right now, I kind of like silver to the short side. So that being said, man, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. I hope you're enjoying these precious metal update videos aside from my Forex market update. And thanks for watching. Be safe trading out there. It's super volatile. Click the links below to get started if you want me to mentor you and if you'd want to be a part of an awesome trading community. So that being said, everybody, peace. Happy trading.